how to enable vibrations whenever your phone rings. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable vibration whenever you get a phone call. So in order to enable this particular setting, the first thing that you will need to do is simply tap and open your device settings. Also do make sure that I am showing these steps in an Android device. For iPhone there are separate steps and it might not be the same for each and every Android device out there. So once you are inside the settings of your Android device, you will need to scroll down until you find this option that says sounds and vibration. So simply click onto sounds and vibration, and in my case I can find this setting right here that says vibrate on ring. So simply enable this by clicking onto this toggle, and then your phone will ring and vibrate at the same time whenever you will get a phone call. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.